Hello YouTube family, how you guys are doing? And since I made the yesterday post, it was not clear how I'm going to give away. So the basic rule is, until I didn't reach 1000 subscribers, I will add names. Whoever follow me on the YouTube and Instagram, and he has to supposed to comment on my previous video, which is 1000 subscriber giveaway. Once it's comment down and he follow me on YouTube and in Instagram, I will put the name in the list, and then I randomly from the Google one of the comment will be choose, and he will get $100 as a giveaway. So time is less. We already at 915 subscribers, so only how many are there? Maybe 85 are left. So once we reach 1000, this giveaway will be closed, and after 1000 I will do the lucky draw, and whoever wins, congrats. I will say that. Okay guys, hello guys, welcome back. What is going on with this bike? This is the white one. I wrap it, but the wrap job is not perfect, so I ordered and like, see, this is not perfect. There's a lot of shitty areas, but this tank and everything is just good. So I'm going to replace the whole fairing and enjoy the time lapse. And this is going to get coiled. And rim SC project is back. As you can see, I need to order this near rear sets. It's already installed, but it's way out. Are you moving? Oh, you can move. And I need to fix the water tank. It's getting a new brand new fuel pump. It already have a fuel pump, racing fuel pump, but I'm riding in street, so I'm going to use it OEM fuel pump. I have it, I just need to replace, and I will clean the throttle body and the air filter today. Bike doesn't have that much mileage. How many kilometers total? Bike is 10,560 kilometers since I fixed everything, so it doesn't have that much mileage. And as you can see, it looks badass, especially in the front. Okay, so I will start with the back. I will open this. I will remove the tank. I will clean the fuel pump. Then I will open the air filter. I'm using the BMC air filter, so I'm going to dry it. It's oil, so oil catch dust, because in Qatar it's a lot of dust. Of course, we live in desert, so I'm going to dry the air filter, and or else I need to clean the throttle body also. So let's get started. As you can see, can't see any shit. It's too much oil.